Namaskar, welcome back to my channel. In previous lesson, we had learned about the structure of a Torah. Now in this class, we will learn how to do it. Let's start.
Here we will use Urdhva Chakra, Samadhan, Vyakti, Pushpa, the twisted chakra, and the Padabhangima will be Angad or Lashya. So here we will use the Lashya Padabhangima. Okay? So let's start. Here we will use Urdhva Chakra along with the four Rajatushri Jati step, flat tail heel brush, flat tail heel brush. So, tik dha tik dha tik. Then hey, hey, hey. In hey, 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 we will do the Samadhan. Hey, hey, hey. Next time, hey, hey, hey. In hey, 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 we will use the Vyakti Hastats along with three-step chakra. Okay? So, hey, hey, hey. Hey, hey, hey. Okay. After that, what comes? After that comes Krandha Katha. There is a gap between three Krandha Katha. Krandha Katha. Krandha Katha. Krandha Katha. So we will use it like that. We will first do it to our left corner, then right, then middle. So in Krandha Katha, we will use this step, Krandha Katha. Take a little jump, then brush with your right leg, and then right, left, right, to flat feet. So Krandha Katha, Krandha Katha, Krandha Katha. Now we will do this Krandha Katha using the gaps. Okay? So, Krandha. First, look here when you are doing this side. When you are doing this side, look here. And when you are doing it in the middle, just look here and then front. Okay? So, Krandha Katha. Krandha Katha. Krandha Katha, and just after that, from this matra we will start another palla. Okay? It will be like Krandha Katha, tik dhani tik dhani, hey, hey, hey. Then hey, hey, hey. Krandha Katha, Krandha Katha. Krandha Katha, tik dhani tik dhani tik, hey, 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 hey. Krandha Katha, Krandha Katha, Krandha Katha. Or you can use that, you can use that. Yeah, we will stick to the Talakona Suchi. Ha, hey, ha, ha, hey, ha, na, hey, na. Tick, 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 hey, 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 Krandha Katha, Krandha Katha, Krandha Katha, tick, 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 hey, 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 Krandha Katha, Krandha Katha, Krandha Katha. Hey, 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 Krandha Katha, Krandha Katha, Krandha Katha. I can also perform this Torah in many styles, but as you have already learned almost all possible hand movements in Hastak's chapters, in and the footworks in Kathak, and Jagi's chapter. So today I'm not going to show you another version or styles in this Torah. I want that you will try to implement different hashtags, different padabhangima in this Torah, though you can stick into this style what I have shown you. So practice hard, increase your creativity, nourish your creativity. Thank you.